Welcome back. So I've been using the Nothing Ear ones for a while now, and I have some thoughts. Starting with the design, these look really good. I think they're one of my favorite looking earbuds. I really appreciate the effort that went into making these transparent. They didn't just design a pair of headphones and put a clear case on it. They had to design the internals with the intent of them being on display all the time as opposed to being covered up like you would on other earphones, which I feel like is a feat all on its own just to make that look presentable when it's something that usually wouldn't be on display. And that same transparent design carries over to the case, so you can see the earbuds while they charge along with the magnets and the hinge for the lid. I guess this is another spot where they really paid good attention to details because the magnets don't look scratched or like flawed or anything. They're pretty well polished. And they're also adhered in a way that like you don't see glue or anything. They just kind of look like they're floating in the case itself. And it also has both USB-C and Qi wireless charging, so you have a couple of different options for how you want to actually charge your earbuds. And I don't find myself charging them very often anyways, since the earbuds are rated for 6 hours of use, and with the case you get up to 34 hours of use, which is pretty on par with my experience. Use them every day while I'm working for a few hours at a time, and I think I charge them just about once a week. And going back to the earbuds themselves, compared to AirPods Pro, these will look a lot more interesting, and they're a little bit lighter, which is nice for working out and wearing them for extended periods of time. But they both have the same silicone tips, and I just don't like the fit of them. I prefer all plastic earbuds, but I guess it's a give and take since you need the silicone tips for other features like active noise cancellation. And speaking of which, the ANC on these isn't the best, but it is there and it works pretty okay when you do use it. But transparency mode, on the other hand, is a little weird on these headphones. It kind of sounds like you're listening to the outside world through a walkie-talkie while you're listening to whatever you're playing in your headphones. For the most part, I did end up just using these with all noise control turned off, since I just found it to be an okay experience. There's enough passive noise being let in from the environment. And to switch between the different modes, you can either tap and hold on the earbud or just use the app. I found the tap gestures in general to be a bit hit or miss, and tapping would just shove them into my ear, which was not comfortable at all. And these controls are like fully customizable through the app, so you can go in and pick what each gesture does. I just found it more convenient to open my phone and do the thing that I was gonna try to do with a gesture. The overall sound quality for these is not bad at all though. Like for a pair of relatively budget earbuds, they don't sound budget at all. They have a clear and a fairly balanced sound. Like there's not too much bass or not too much treble. It's like right in the middle. There's a good amount of both. Just listening to a bunch of different music and like watching some videos, I was able to hear a pretty good range of sound coming through these earbuds. And if you want a specific like sound profile, you can adjust the EQ from the app, as long as it's one of the 3 presets: more bass, more treble, or more voice, depending on which frequencies you prefer. But if I was ever switching from these to AirPods Pro, it was never for the sound quality. I think these are pretty on par with the AirPods. It was usually for either the latency, which made the Nothing Ear one pretty much impossible to edit with, since I would start playback and maybe a half a second later I would actually hear audio, or the noise control, since I think the AirPods have some of the best active noise cancellation and transparency modes for a pair of earbuds. Overall, if you're looking for a relatively inexpensive pair of wireless earbuds, these are a really good option. They have a really good sound and they look great. So they're not nothing for a first attempt at a pair of headphones or even a real product in general, and I'm sure it'll get better from here for future versions of the headphones or whatever product they announce next. I'm really looking forward to seeing the phone when it comes out. I hope it's transparent. But thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe down below for more videos about tech, cameras, and making. Here's my What I See versus What a Camera Sees series, and here's a video that YouTube thinks you're gonna like the best.